Okay, who am I? Oh, I'm Ashley. Okay. Woo! Oh yeah, we just did a séance with them. Okay. Oh, we definitely should have. Alright, so we're with Ashley and Chris just after them and Josh had a séance, and this is Until Dawn. So we're gonna see what spookiness they can find now. See if there actually is a ghost. Ooh. Ooh. It's locked. Alright. Why does no one turn the lights on in this place yet? Wait a second. Wait a second. What's this? Hello? Oh. Nope. Hmm. Why is the power not on? That's my biggest question. Why is it not on? Like, please tell me. Tell me why. Stop throwing books! Chris's looks so like, oh, they threw stuff at me. Like, how dare they throw stuff at me? Push the button. Push the button. Push the button. Push the button. Yeah! There's a secret passage. Hmm. Big, strong, burly man first. Not that I would say Chris is strong, but, you know, whatever. Oh, there's a camera. Oh, no! Ugh! Ugh! Can I flip it? I found a picture. Oh, yeah. There we go. Oh, I will take them and bleed them like pigs and rip their soft white skin off. Fucking 16 years. 16 years I wanted for... Well, waited for pretty little Hannah and Beth. We have a problem. I'm gonna be honest here. It's a threatening letter. Hmm. Okay, let's go find him. Um, Josh, where are you? Oh, that's not creepy. Let's go in. It was the door. It opened. La 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 la. Hmm. That'd be really weird. I don't remember if that was ever mentioned. Oh, uh-huh. What did we see? Oh, yeah. It's possible. You're fired. Ooh. Oh, what the fuck? It sounds like they're... Ooh. Ow. Ashley? Hey, buddy! Well, that was fun. Who the fuck are you? Mr. Creepy Creep? With your overalls? Yes, because just drag them. That's gonna hurt their arms, you know. Ay, 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 ay. And no one heard any of this? Oh no. Because isn't Sam in the bath still? Oh hey! My favorite doctor! What the fuck is that? Is that a beating heart? Are you into some kinky shit with, like, clowns? What's with all the chains? Hi. And what's with the hook? Uh-huh. You're not even that honest. Um, Sam. It's always Sam. I hate both of them. She's a bitch. He's just dumb. Ooh. They're both stupid. Um, let's say Chris. I don't really give a shit about Ashley. I don't know her as well as I know Chris. Oh. I don't like either of them. I hate them both equally. Well, she's not as much of a douche as he is. What? I hate Emily with, like, everything I have. No, I don't like Mike. I'll move your jaw some more. Come on. You just want to say something. You! Um. Um. Uh. Mike. I don't like him. He is a jerk. I don't really give a shit about him. Oh, this guy's so creepy. It's just his little sessions are like the most terrifying part of the game, and it's so brilliant. It's not even part of like, it's part of the game, but he can't hurt you, and will never hurt you. But he's just so creepy, and it's so well done. So scary. Dun 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 dun. Which one? Ugh. Boom. Boop boop boop. Oh, oh, it's porno time. Oh no, I don't want to be with them. Ugh. I don't want to be here with him. Okay. I'm gonna stop here. We're gonna decide this after, because I don't really give a shit about either of them.